Hi, 𝗏𝗏 here with the Tai Chi for Balance practice video. In this practice video, I'll guide you through circle number 1 in our 7-circle set. That's 𝗏 squat plus vertical circles. And we'll also incorporate our whole body awareness and precise posture control by feeling our feet and feeling our center as we move. So to begin, we'll settle in to neutral posture, get our basic alignment set, feet parallel under the hips, knees unlocked. Feeling behind your back, behind the pelvis, relaxing the tailbone down. Coming up to your abdomen, opening the midriff. And then continue that gentle lifting up the spine to the occiput, where the spine meets the skull. Then feeling your shoulders and upper back and relax them. Let your arms hang comfortably at your sides. Sense of openness in the armpits. And then drop your mind down to your feet. Feel them, your hard-working feet. And balance the pressures on your feet. Then from there, back up to the top of your head. Feel the very top of your head, your crown point. Mine's right here. And then just drop your mind down the center of you. Feeling your way down through your body, through the center of your body, to your perineum, the base of the pelvis. Feeling for any sense of a line between those 2 points. And that's your center. And we aim in Tai Chi for Balance to align our center in the vertical, except when we're intentionally inclining it, as we do in a 𝗏 squat. So with that, we'll begin. So extend your hands to the front of your vertical circle. Then sink into a 𝗏 squat, circle down and back. Stretch up through the legs and the quad, a circle up and out. At the front of your circle, we're back to the vertical, even pressures in the feet. Then sink into a 𝗏 squat. Feel your center incline a little. Stretch up through the legs and the quad, a circle up and out. We'll do 10 in one direction, 10 in the other, and I'll count for us. Bending to the back of the circle, lightly stretching to the front. Feeling your feet, feeling your center as you move, bringing your center back to the vertical at the front of your circle. Aiming for smooth, continuous movement. Feeling for that light stretch in the back and the release of the stretch as you circle back. Come to the back of your circle. Change directions. Feeling your feet, feeling your center as you sink into a 𝗏 squat. Press into the floor, stretch up through the legs and the quad to come back to the vertical. Smooth, continuous, connected whole body movement. That's what we're aiming for in Tai Chi for Balance. Two more. Come to the back of your circle. Smoothly back to neutral. That concludes this practice video. Enjoy your practice. I'll see you in the next one.